We would like to show you how to edit a page set in MindExpress 5. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how you can add ready-made actions. You want to modify something, so you can go via the menu to Edit View, or press F2. Select your cell and click on Add Action. The most commonly used actions are at the top. Choose text, fill in your word, and adjust the grammatical category for the correct conjugation. This is especially important for verbs. You can test this.
Dog.
If it sounds good, then press OK. Under Actions, you can see that the speech action has been added and that you can always edit it or delete it. If you want to add another action, for example, to quickly jump to another page, then select the cell that will be used to navigate and go to Add Action. Then click on Go To. If you want to go to a specific page, you indicate Go to Page and double click or click OK. You will now see a dialog box with a preview of your pages. If you have a lot of pages, you can use the search bar or sort alphabetically or by page number to help you find the page you want. You will see your new action and that you can immediately go to your page by clicking on the link. You can always assign multiple actions to a cell. For example, do you also want a speech action? Then go to Add Action, choose Text and fill in the speech action. To hear the speech action first and then go to the next page, drag your action to change the order.
Go to farm.
You have now seen the fourth part of editing in MindExpress 5. You can now add actions in your page set.